Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, first I just want to say I know that I look really weird. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the lights, and I did try a lot of new makeup today. And the sad thing is like in person when I look at myself, I love the way that my makeup turned out, but through the viewfinder, I'm not liking it at all. Anyways, I went to Dollar General about a week ago now, and I picked up some new products that I have never seen there before. So I wanted to do a haul so I could show you guys everything that I got. Look at this bag. This is just one. I have two bags of stuff that I picked up from the Dollar General. So the first thing that I have here is this razor, and this is from the brand Sierra. I have not seen this before, but it looked interesting, so I picked it up. And it came in like a couple different colors. I picked the blue one, but you get the razor itself with a head on it, and then you get an extra head down below. So I'll have to let you guys know if it's a good razor or not. I feel like it was kind of expensive. I feel like it was. The next thing that I got is from Dove. This is an exfoliating body polish. Again, I have not seen this before. I'm sure this has been out for a while. Yeah, I love the brand Dove, so I was excited to give that a try. I also picked up a couple of these hair wraps. I got this black one and this cheetah one. When I do my makeup, sometimes I like to put my hair back, and also when I do my skincare, which I have to say, the beginning of 2022, I was like, okay, I want to do better on my skincare. I want to do it every morning and every night. So far, I've been doing pretty good. Hopefully I can keep it up. It's only been a couple days, but yeah, I picked these two up. They were really reasonably priced. I forgot how much they were. I also picked up these fake nails from the brand Kiss. I thought they were pretty cute looking. They're like I wouldn't say it's like a pink color, but it's like almost like a matte pink shade, and they're like coffin shape. Is that what you would call it? Coffin shape, possibly. I like them, so I want to give them a try and see how I like long nails, because I haven't had long nails in forever. I also picked up this Airspun powder. I've had this before, like years ago. I've had this, and everyone was talking about how much they love it, and I did not like it, but I thought I would get it again and see if, you know, maybe I'll like it. I remember it had a real fragrance smell to it. Yes, I can smell that. I picked up another pair of these Cuticle Cutters. I use these for my eyelashes. I like to trim them sometimes, and the one that I have, I've had forever, and it's getting, where are you? No, I just used them. It's right here. I had them forever, and I feel like I need to get a new pair. So I got this one, which these are for cuticles, but I use them for eyelashes. I don't know. And then I picked up these Kiss Mink Effect eyelashes. These were kind of expensive. I don't remember how much they were. I feel like they were like $6 to $8. They did have other ones there from the brand Kiss, but they were not Mink ones. So I wanted to try these and see how they look, because now I am able to apply fake eyelashes. I want to keep trying different brands to see if I struggle with any other brand. That didn't make any sense. I want to try other brands to see if I am able to wear like all lashes now or not. But yeah, that probably made no sense whatsoever, but I want to give them a try. And then I saw this palette from LA Colors there, and I wanted to play with it a little bit. This is the 16 color eyeshadow palette. Does it have a name, or is that the name? I think that's the name. It just looks like this. It has a lot of nude shades. Oh my gosh. I just realized, like, as I'm looking at it, they're all shimmer. Yeah, like they're all shimmer shades, if you can see right there. So I guess I did not look at the palette closely enough in the stores. That's not going to be as fun as I thought it was going to be. It wasn't that expensive, so I picked up a couple of these pencil sharpeners. I like to use them for my lip liners. I actually use this one from Jeffree Star today. It's in the shade Leo, and it needs to be sharpened, as you can tell. So we're going to try out these sharpeners and see if they actually work. It did sharpen it really nicely, and it was very easy to do. I also found some products from Believe Beauty. So they have now Believe Beauty Skin, which I thought was really interesting. So I picked up all that I could find, and I thought I would do a review on this product to see if it's any good or not. So the first one here is this face toning spray. It looks like this. There is that, and then it has this exfoliating in shower face mask, which I really like because if I can do some of my skincare routine in the shower, it just saves time. And then the next one that I have is this hydrating overnight mask. And then I got the Daily Gel Cleanser. This one is in a blue, baby blue color. The last thing that I got from this line is the Hydrating Gel Cream, and it looks like this. I haven't heard anyone talk about these products. I'm assuming they've been out for a while. I just haven't heard anyone, so yeah, I'm going to... Oh, this has a little bit of a scent that I can smell. But yeah, I want to do a review on this to see if this is any good or not. The last couple things that I got is I got these nails. So I got two sets of nails. I got the matte looking ones, and then I got these like shiny pink ones with like the white tip is underneath it, but you can't really see it that much. Does that make sense? So I got that pair too. And then the last two things that I got from the Dollar General is I picked up some of these eyebrow razors. I like to use these on my face, but the ones that I got for Christmas from Chris from the Creme Shop, I used that razor last night, I think it was, and I love it. It just hugs your face really nicely, and there's something about them razors I love. But I picked these up before I used the Creme Shop ones, so I will definitely use these, but if I can find the Creme Shop razors, I will repurchase them in a heartbeat. And then the last thing that I got is this brush pad cleaner. I've always wanted one of these, but I've never picked one up. And I have a lot of makeup brushes I need to clean. So I thought this might be fun to use. It just has these suctions on the back, and then you just put this in your sink, and then you can kind of swirl your makeup brushes on it to get it nice and clean. So that is everything that I got from the Dollar General. It's not a lot of stuff, but I wanted to talk about the Believe Beauty skincare products that I got because I was really excited about them. And like I said, this year I want to take care of my skin. I want to start looking like a 30-year-old. Well, I am 30. I'm 38. I'm going to be 39, but I feel like I'm definitely more 40 than I am 30 at this point. But I just want to, you know, give my skin the love that it deserves. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!